Hi, my name is Karen. I'm 24.
My name is Jose. I'm 26. And we just bought our first house. We've been together for about 6 years, and we're finally tying a knot. Get married in a month.
We met Carlos and Addie through social media. We had been looking for lenders back in October. We were looking for someone that was looking into our best interest, and luckily we were able to find Carlos and Addie, met them in person, and we continued the whole process.
We were looking around everywhere to see, okay, we need a new realtor, or we need a good realtor, we need a good lender, we need someone that has our best interest in it, and thank God we found them.
Process was very overwhelming at the beginning, but I think that's a very common feeling when you're buying your first home, and it's a lot of terms that you don't know, but when you have good people behind you and a good team behind you that guides you, it turns into a very relieving and educating process, which is exactly what we experienced.